Hi, I'm David O'Dea with O'Dea Schneider PLLC. Let's take a moment to break down the differences between AWOL and desertion under the Uniform Code of Military Justice. These two offenses may look similar on the surface, as they both involved unauthorized absence, but they're treated very differently under military law, and the key difference is intent. Now, AWOL, or absence without leave, is covered under Article 86. A service member is AWOL when they're not where they're supposed to be, whether that's missing formation, not returning from leave on time, or leaving their post without proper authority. But here's the important part: there's no intent to permanently leave the military. They may be late, they may be avoiding something short term, but the assumption is that they're coming back, or they at least didn't plan to be gone for good. Desertion, on the other hand, is a much more serious offense and falls under Article 85. It also begins with an unauthorized absence, but it adds a critical element: the intent to remain away permanently, or the intent to avoid hazardous duty, or the intent to avoid important service, like a combat deployment or something similar. Even a short absence can be considered desertion if the person clearly meant to not return. For example, if a service member disappears with packed bags just before a deployment and leaves a message saying they're done with the military, that's more than just AWOL. That could be charged as desertion. So here's the quick comparison: AWOL is the unauthorized absence without the intent to quit, and desertion is the unauthorized absence with the intent to quit or avoid serious duty. Both of these are serious offenses, but the consequences for desertion can be far more severe. AWOL might lead to a lower level court martial, administrative action, or minor punishments, while desertion can bring court martial, confinement, and a dishonorable discharge. And in wartime situations, punishments can even be more severe. As always, every case is unique, and outcomes depend heavily on the specific facts and circumstances at play. And this video is never legal advice, but if an individual is dealing with a kind of situation that involves these types of things, it's best for them to talk to a qualified military attorney who understands how these cases work. Thanks for watching.